No, no. Body language are our movements and actions that either complement or replace our language. These movements and actions are related with the state of humor of the people that is making them or the emotions that these people are feeling. We can see this in our in our daily interactions, but we don't even notice it, even though it's happening all the time. But how does body language interferes in the communication? Communication cannot be achieved with only voice. It requires posture, facial expressions, and body language in general. Plus, your body is not trained to lie. This makes your body a mirror into your mind as it expresses your feelings and what you are thinking. As we see, body language has a great importance in communication, and that is why many theorists have studied body language in its entirety. Such scientists like Darwin. Darwin believed that body language comes from the past, from movements we did back then, and that heavily influence the ones that we do today. Another scientist that studied body language was Keating. He believed that body language is useful for social interaction and status, which I think everyone agrees with, even today. He also argued that primates and a bunch of other animals like lions, like bears, etc., use body language in a way that is similar to ours, humans, by regulating their relationships through body language, just like us, which is fascinating to think about. We know for a fact that body language exists in every culture. However, it is different in every culture. For example, in Colombia, we point with our mouth, but for other countries, that might just be really silly. So what we can conclude from this presentation? In retrospective, we can conclude two premises. One being body language is an important part of the process of communication, and without it, we cannot communicate, at least not fully communicate the message we are trying to achieve. And the second one, that body language can be a difficult thing to understand fully because it can be different between cultures and persons. Esto.